don't leave. Oh, you're back. Where are you going? Oh, you're back. Just stay like that.
Babe. Marcus, wake up.
What? I was just having the most amazing dream.
You need to watch this. Something's happening.
Country that the recently deceased are rising up. These undead are attacking anything living, which is rapidly swelling their numbers. Advice from the police is to stay inside.
What the hell was that? What's going on? Son of a witch. There's one now about to get busy with your son.
Oh my god, I need to get him in.
If you let him in and I come down to him eating my lepreinus one day, I'm going to be severely miffed. You're fully aware of the first rule of fish keeping. Fish before family. Now, let's prepare.
In the event of a zombie apocalypse, it is critical the fish-keeping hobbyist acts swiftly and adheres to the following 10 important steps. Step 1. The water processing plant will soon be overrun by ravenous hordes of the undead, giving you a limited window of time to fill as many containers as possible. It is of the utmost importance you maintain your regular, uninterrupted water change routine. Step 2. When the taps run dry, the fish keeper has a distinct advantage over the hamsterist and other less important pet keeping enthusiasts, thanks to the abundant presence of water at your very fingertips. Utilize this vital resource to prevent dehydration.
You're not actually going to drink that, are you, babe?
Yeah, why not?
Because it's full of bacteria.
It's called beneficial bacteria. It's not called unbeneficial bacteria. Duh.
A few minutes later.
You're right in there, babe.
Yeah, I'll be out in a few minutes. 4 hours.
Step 3. When the power supply goes offline, as a fish keeper, you will have already stocked up on candles for your personal Kori shrines. Utilize the light source to help you complete essential tank maintenance duties.
Yoink.
Do you really think algae scraping is a priority right now?
It's not going to scrape itself, dude. I'm not letting you do it. Not after you scratched the glass the last time. Remember that? I do.
I don't remember that.
There's a permanent reminder etched into the glass.
Step 4. Tool up as a fish keeper. You will have collected many otherwise useless instruments over the years that are illegal to carry in the street. These can make perfect weapons against the zombie scourge and potentially save you and your fish's lives. Choose your tools wisely.
Okay, sweetheart, choose your weapons of choice.
I choose the scissors and the tweezers.
And I'll go for the bendy tweezers and the move gravel around thing.
Step 5. A quick message from our sponsor.
Do you get sick of having to uninstall and reinstall your browser every time you view dodgy X-rated fish-keeping sites? Do you live in a constant state of fear your improper fish-keeping browsing habits will be discovered by your partner and family? Introducing NORAD VPN. We hide your browsing history and make browsing the internet completely anonymous. Since launching our service, the yearly divorce rate around the world has reduced by over 19%. NORAD VPN is helping users hide their dodgy browsing habits, one site at a time.
Step 6. When the electricity has failed for several hours, it's time to act quickly. Without adequate water surface agitation, the gas exchange process is interrupted, reducing water oxygenation and resulting in the slow suffocation of your precious fish. It's time to think outside the box.
This is why we should have bought an Aquarium Co-op USB portable air charger. Only $12.99.
But they don't ship to the UK.
And that's why we should have got NORAD VPN. They hide our location, letting us do that.
They still wouldn't ship to the UK.
Oh yeah. I didn't say stop whisking.
Step 7.
Hey, voiceover guy, could we just skip to step 10?
But the video is about 10 steps for the fish keeper to survive a zombie apocalypse.
Yeah, but our audience retention is really bad, and by this point, only a couple of die-hard fans will still be watching, and that's more out of pity than genuine engagement, so...
Sucks to be you. You must have a terrible YouTube channel. Okay. Step 10. After several minutes of manually agitating the water surface, the average fish keeper, not known for their physical endurance, will have succumbed to chronic exhaustion and admit defeat. When the fish perish, the last respect a fish keeper can offer their beloved pets is to consume the fallen.
Okay, babe, I've filleted the fish, and you got a choice between the mascara barb, Denison barb, or bronze corridorus pate on crackers.
I ain't eating none of that.
Really? Oh, more for me then, I guess. Don't mind if I do.
A few minutes later.
How are you feeling now, babe? Babe.
What the bloody hell? Oh my god, I was just having the best and then the worst dream ever.
You need to watch this. Aliens are invading.
Its estimated time of arrival in Earth orbit is 3 hours. They are believed to be highly weaponized and hostile.
What was that? Oh my god. Nope. I'm not dealing with this today. I'm going back to bed. Bloopers.
You're not going to drink that, are you, babe?
Yeah, why not?
Because of all the bacteria in it.
It's called beneficial bacteria for a reason. It's not called unbeneficial bacteria. Duh.
Well, you're actually going to drink it then.
Okay, babe, I filleted the fish, and you got a choice between mascara barb, Denison barb, or bronze corridorus pate. Okay, try again. Okay, babe, I filleted the fish, and you got a choice between the
Mascara.
Yeah.
Is it recording? Babe. Marcus, wake up.
What the bloody hell? Oh my god. Screwed it up. Can I say bloody hell, or is that going to be like a swear word?
No, bloody hell's fine.
Okay, let's go.
Thanks for watching.